Okay, Lumpins, you ready? I'm just checking in with you after the scalp. I just went back over it again just now on the same scalp setting 2 days later, and I still got some baskets off this thing. It's growing like crazy. Right now I'm just drenching the soil. I got the water going in some hot spots. Then I'm going to wet the yard, put some hydrotain down. It's supposed to be 100 degrees this entire week, if not hotter every day. And I'm going to show you a good example down here. This is that bed of slate rock that I have, and right now it's scorching. Look up there, and I don't know if you guys will be able to make out the color change between the green up there and down here, but it is this whole area right here is slate rock, and it cooks the grass. So I'm really gonna have to drench this, get some hydrotain on it. But over here, my neighbors, I did his also, scalped it second time. Did his the other day when I got done with mine. And I think he's gonna be pretty pleased with this. He's gonna keep his higher than mine. So when he gets ready to cut again here in a week, maybe, that's gonna look really good. And then finally, let's go over here and look at the putting green. It's ugly, but I'm using his mower from now on to cut it. And so it's gonna look good. It's gonna come in nice and green at the level it's at. And so there it is in this ugliness. But if you have good vision, you'll see what it's gonna look like in your mind. As soon as the leaves of this Bermuda start coming back in, that's gonna be pretty sweet. At least in my opinion, that's gonna be pretty sweet. And I ordered a flag and a cup, went ahead and did it. So we'll go down around the corner with the apron. But that's it. So now all I'm gonna do is water it, hydrotain it, water it, and then get out of the damn sun. Bermuda Brian, out.